So today I'm going to show you how to replace the filter on your Samsung RF4287HARS refrigerator. So first what you want to do is take the old filter out. I already unlocked it. Here's the old, so you need to take the old one out first because the filter goes in here. And the way you need, by the way, the way you know when to replace the filter is because this light is red. And but I don't know how long it's been like that because we just moved here. And water's being all over the place. So now I'm gonna, so this is the new filter. First thing you want to do is take this lid off, and then you put the handle out, the handle facing out. Wait, and it's very hard to. I can't walk. I can't even walk it. It's so hard. Yeah, hopefully I don't break it. So that's how you get your filter in. So now what you want to do is close the fridge doors because it's probably the alarm will be going off. And then you get a pitcher and fill it up with water from here. And you do 3 gallons. So this is the water. To dispense the water, and this is to dispense ice. So you put that here, then push the one on the bottom. And you have to do 3 gallons. In this case, we're doing it 6 times because I think this pitcher is half a gallon. So I'm gonna wait for it to fill up. And the water's probably gonna do some weird things like I just make. And the water will go, and that'll help water go through. Also, here it is filling, by the way. So now that we've done all the water, it's time to reset the filter. So the way you do that is press any button on the screen, and then you do this button right here that says alarm. Right under that it says hold 3 seconds for filter reset. So you hold that for 3 seconds. There, it's reset. So now the light changed from red and now it's blue. Thanks for watching.